this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a joy fold card with the Inked Botanicals suite. Here's my joy fold card using the Inked Botanicals suite. The suite includes the inked and tiled stamp set along with 2 punches that coordinate with the Inked Botanicals Designer Series paper, as well as the delightfully eclectic Designer Series paper. So there's this page right here that you can punch the pieces out with. And there's also a black and white piece that has that same pattern on it. The paper that is in the suite is the Inked Botanical suite, and it's really neat because the artist used actual flowers and leaves and plants and painted on them and then stamped them and took pictures of them and created this paper. And you get a lot of designs with this paper, which is currently on sale for the Designer Series paper sale, because it is a 6x6 paper stack. So you're getting a lot of cool designs with this paper. The last item in the suite is the ribbon. The last item in the suite is this Lost Lagoon ribbon, and it's really nice and soft, kind of reminds me of a soft canvas. And so I will be using that in this card. So for a joy fold card, basically it's 2 cards in one. It's really easy. You have an 8 1/4 piece by 4 1/4, and you just score it at 2 3/4 to create the base of the card. Then you have a 5 1/4 by 4 piece of Designer Series paper or another color of cardstock. Then you want to use a 2 1/2 by 4 inch piece of Designer Series paper. And so you can, test out and try other designs to see what you think. And then we have a piece of 8 1/2 by 3, and it's scored at 4 1/4. And then this is going to tuck in and be our second piece here. And this is 4 by 2 3/4. So we have this piece, or you could do this piece, any piece you want. But I like this piece because we're going to use the similar coordinating stamp to stamp on our very vanilla piece right here. So I'm just going to adhere all of these down, and then we'll do some stamping. So I'm going to use this die from the Sentimental Park dies for the center, and I'm just going to trace around the exterior of the die. It doesn't have to be exact, but just to give myself a basic idea of where I'm going to be cutting so that I can stamp in the right area. So I'm going to stamp Hello Friend in Lost Lagoon up in this corner over here. And then I'm going to use the markers to color on the stamp, and then I can stamp that. And with this stamp set, I really like how the stamps look similar to the paper in that it looks like you have painted the flowers and that you're going to stamp them on some paper. So Calypso Coral for the petals. And we're going to do this a couple times. So we're going to have one down here, and then we'll keep doing this again and stamp it 2 more times. All right, so I'm just gonna add this with dimensionals and then tie a bow to place on the side. So I'll just put that right here in the middle. And then I have a video how to tie a bow, where I show you how to use my little bow tire and how to make one. So check that video out. And there is my Joyfold card using the Inked Botanicals suite. Receive my Inked Botanicals suite card kit for free when you purchase the bundle or you place a $50 order using my current host code. Just email me and let me know that you would like this card kit.